Hi guys, today we will be making an avocado smoothie and I hope you guys like it. The ingredients you will need are 1 avocado, 1 cup milk, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, and sugar. First thing you'll need to do is put your avocado into your mixer. And then once you're done with that, you pour in the milk. Oops, we forgot to cut the avocado. That's better. Now let's pour in the milk. And then pour in your vanilla extract. And pour in the sugar. And then close the lid. As you guys can see, it's taking me quite a long time to close the lid. And then now once I'm finished, first, tilt it around just to make sure that it's not leaking. And just close tightly, and then put it into your mixer. And also, you should put it inside there for around a good 10 to 15 seconds. We should wait for around 15 seconds. And then around now, we should start taking it out. Once you're done, you take a spoon, mix. And also, when you mix the inside, make sure that you only mix it for a little bit of time, unless you want to mix it a bit more. But then your mixer already mixed it up for you, so you don't actually need to put that much effort. And then pour it into a cup and serve. And I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.